Hi everybody, Mr. Meadows here, and today we are going to start an art project together. This art project is going to be all about how butterflies become butterflies. We're going to make an art project that starts as an egg, then it's going to change into a caterpillar, then a chrysalis, and then finally a butterfly. And we're going to work on this for 3 days. So we'll do a little bit today, a little bit tomorrow, and then a little bit the day after that. So get your art supplies and let's get started. To start our caterpillar today, we'll need a pencil, some scissors, and something circular to trace. So it could be the top of a lid, or I'm going to use this coffee mug. And of course, we'll also need some paper. So the first step we're going to do is put whatever circle you want to trace on the piece of paper and use a pencil to help you trace a nice circle. You can see my circle is not perfect, but that's okay. Just as long as you have a pretty good circle, you are ready to go. Then I'm going to take my scissors and cut around my circle. I'm just going to cut the piece of paper a little bit smaller so it's easier to hold in my hand. Now that I have a small piece of paper with my circle, I'm going to point the scissors away from me and cut slowly. Notice I'm turning the paper, not the scissors. You'll cut a much better circle if you turn the paper, not the scissors. Then I'm going to do the same thing 3 more times, so I have 4 circles. Then I need to color it. You can use paint, color pencils. I'm going to use markers. I'm going to put a piece of paper down as I start to color, so if I go over the edges, I don't mess up my table. The first one I'm going to put a face on, and the others I'm going to draw different patterns. Maybe I'll use some zigzag lines, some curvy lines, all sorts of different lines. Now it's time to do some gluing. I'm going to take my glue, flip over the head of my caterpillar, and put a little bit of glue on the bottom. Not all of the circle, but just the bottom part of the circle. Then I can stick the next circle onto it. Then when I flip it over, I have the first 2 parts of my caterpillar glued together. I'm going to repeat that for the rest of it, and then I'm going to cut out 2 extra white circles that I'm going to put on the top and the bottom. Next, I'm going to fold over the caterpillar, flip it, fold again, then flip it, and fold again. And now I have an egg. Remember, our butterfly starts as an egg. So I have an egg, but when the egg hatches, we have a caterpillar.